A one-port calibration is used to help improve reflection measurement quality, primarily by eliminating systematic errors that may be due to imperfections in the VNA itself, as well as some portions of the test setup. Random errors in the form of contributions from things like cables and connectors will also be minimized, but not fully removed. The full one-port calibration requires an open, short, and load standard connected at the calibration plane where measurements are made for each. Error correction coefficients are calculated and preserved, so they can then be applied during measurements of the actual device under test, or DUT. Another one-port calibration option, mentioned here only for reference, is a normalization calibration. This allows the operator the freedom to limit the different standards to connect, then correct for limited response type. While this may act as a shortcut to save you some time, you will end up sacrificing on accuracy. Within the VNA software interface, navigate to the sweep stimulus options to ensure they align with your device test expectations. In this case, we will set a center frequency of 433 MHz and a span of 10 MHz. If we want to adjust the number of points in the sweep, we can do so in the sweep setup, here increasing to 801 points. To perform the one-port calibration, start with all the cables and adapters to be used for your application measurement connected to the VNA port. Then use the function buttons to navigate to the calibration options where the kit can be selected. For this example, we will use the SMA type calibration standard available from Bird. We then navigate to the calibration options and select One-Port Cal. Connect the part of the standard marked with an O for open to the end of the cable. Click on the Open button in the software interface, then click the Open F since the connector type on the standard is female. Next, connect the part of the standard marked with an S for short to the end of the cable. Use the function buttons to navigate up a level and click on the short button in the software interface, then click the short F. Connect the part of the standard marked with an L for load to the end of the cable. Again, use the function buttons to navigate up a level and click on the load button. Finally, click the done button. The measurement trace may drop out of sight, moving down to measure the noise floor with the load device still connected. To see what these measurements look like, you can navigate up to the top of the function menu, select Scale, then Auto Scale. For more information on how to use your Bird Vector Network Analyzer, check out other videos on the Bird YouTube channel.